subscribed in my channel. So basically today, as you can see, we have a whole load of different stuff. Yeah, and I know again she's doing it, but obviously I'm always in work. Anyway, what are we making today? Pizza toasties. Wait, okay, so we're making pizza toasties because obviously we don't have pizza. Wait, we do have pizza, but we're just doing it. So basically cut the bread like this on just you don't come to the side. And by the way guys, I learn stuff as well along while I make videos, so that's actually a great thing.
Have you done that?
No. Anyway, so we cut off so we can give this to the cats or something yourself, because I normally like this so I can use in some breadcrumbs anyway. Anyway, what you need for the pizza toasties are you need bread, you need what is this? Bolognese sauce. Is it real sauce?
That because we don't have pizza sauce. And it is the exact same.
What was it called? Bolognese one.
Bolognese.
Is bolognese. Anyway, this sauce for bolognese, whatever it's called.
It's normally used for pasta.
Yeah, it's normally used for pasta,
lasagna.
but or lasagna, but
Something like that.
we don't have pizza sauce, but so this is a great substitute for it. Like the basic exact same thing, I'm guessing. Anyway, and then you also need onions. Or you can use any seasonal toppings, whatever you guys want to use, like pepperoni, whatever you guys use. Anyway, we're doing cheese and onions. We're gonna obviously shred the cheese, and yeah. Anyway, so we cut the onions. You can dice them or whatever you guys do, but we cut it, and then we're gonna get the more onions. I think I should cut it. You should make a video. I'm trying to be like I'm trying to be like Alia, but you know, in a video where she's like, guys, I've never cooked before. I have to share so much like cooking. And she made this beetroot thingy, and it looks so good, like wonderful. But then I won't diet, and her diet keeps changing. So, are you gonna have a diet? Once I showed that, then let me quit. I can only quit for the sake of the video, not of anything else. Guys, I'll quit next now.
Do you put it?
Do you the camera?
Why should I hold the camera?
Because
one of the best.
you're the camera person, and you better not show the camera anywhere. Anyway, so we're gonna.
Baby. Nicole. Go back.
Anyway, so just keep cutting.
Hello.
No, my brother is being big and going on the phone.
Hello.
So we started.
No.
I think we need to start doing what you told you to do.
Do you guys hear my YouTube channel just a bit too free? I think it's done. Maybe like.
Guys, is it done? Comment down below.
I'll put a poll. Is it done? Anyway, I'll put a poll up on the side.
Lol, this is what Carter is going to comment down below.
If it's done or not. Okay, so that's done. Now, what do we do? Please.
Let's put this bread in the toaster now.
Okay, so we're gonna toast these and we'll come back to you guys. Where?
You need to put it, just put it two.
You need to zoom in on this.
She said you won £1,000 Amazon.
Okay, so you're gonna put it on two.
And it was like,
So I'm going to turn this on to high.
is it a full name?
So I'm
And go on.
gonna give me sugar in here.
Ignore this.
That's really type of rich. Okay, so just keep it until it's basically done. So let's look inside the toaster. And remember, if you guys didn't see before, you keep it on two. Depending on what type of toasters you guys have, I'm sorry if you can microwave it, can't you, the bread? Because some might have dumb toasters, so. But we should give them options. Okay, you can oven it, use the oven again. How long? Just anything. You just put in the oven until it gets toasted. Okay, so now you basically just need a thingy cheese. Shred it. Okay. You just exposed my name to the world. They already know my YouTube channel is called my name.
It's an illegal scam.
For what?
He's a scam. He's a scam.
Ish now.
He said I won £1,000.
Okay, so I'm actually became her camera girl, which I wasn't meant to, but it wasn't intended. But okay. Guys, do you want to see your hands? What? Okay, so it came out the first time and actually it smells really good. But it needs to be brown from the inside, so or whatever it's called. So we're gonna go one more round. Hopefully it's done by then. Hopefully it doesn't burn or whatever. As you can see, look how dumb toaster. Nearly done.
I think the whole group. He sounded like he was from America.
Okay, so if you guys want me to do like a reacting to comments video, then I can do that. For some weird reason, most of my comments from my other videos got deleted, but some people were like, do you want to join with me in partnership, YouTube, whatever it's called? And then I was like, no. But yeah, my uncle was actually offering that. Anyway, And someone commented, you're going well or keep doing this and
Why
that.
are you zooming so much?
Because I need to see it's a different type of expensive gold cheese.
Obviously you can't.
Anyway, so do we need this? I'm just gonna eat it then.
No. Abdul, do you want pizza toasty?
Yeah.
I'm making you Jvaya.
So it doesn't say everything name so loud.
You can have taken mirchi and stuff out.
Okay, so this is how it's meant to be. It's fine if you like this.
Not
We're now
toasty.
side.
We're gonna put it this way. Actually, let's just toast it another way. See, this is another way how you can toast it. Put it in the oven.
Yeah.
Like it toasted.
And then we're gonna get toasted. Okay, so this is Julia. Do you want to see what she's doing?
Oh no!
And we now we like PSPs and we have a lot. We're really rich guys, you just don't know. Look at her.
Stop it every. So now we're gonna take it out.
Now that it's burnt.
toasted.
And now that it's really golden crispy.
Yeah, so we're just gonna put it down so that it doesn't burn. फिर क्या लगाना है? Oh yeah, फिर ये.
Now you need all the camera from me, mom.
फिर ये pasta sauce.
She's gonna do one bread, I'll do the other bread. You want inside the oven?
क्या है आप?
Well, not to show them what.
What's inside the oven?
I'm gonna make a video and what's inside the oven. If you guys want that, make sure to give a like. Get this video to 2 billion likes, then I'll do it.
Please, say we do what's inside our oven.
In it, what's inside a
You all
cupboard?
really want to see it.
In it, what's inside a cupboard? What's the gold?
What we hiding?
So you don't act like a professional at all and you shove it on.
And then you put some cheese.
And then we put some onions.
और मैं डालूंगी पहले वाली भी मैं कर रही हूँ ना.
Oh my god,
So
okay.
jealous.
Can you speak English, please?
So yeah, I.
Yeah, like you're respecting me. Guys, you want to see your face? If you want to see your face, this video should at least get 1 like.
No.
Yes, it should.
Way more kinky than that.
English, guys, you guys might be thinking she don't know English. She actually does. She
I
just
don't. I came back from Jamaica.
yeah,
After learning Urdu.
I told you.
yeah. She always puts foundation on her hands.
Ah, man bunny.
Anyway,
Did you want a bit of piyaz or kulle?
I don't even know.
they're called onions. I just they call it onions. My Larab says onions, but I really am not that. They're onions. Guys, next thing now we're gonna season it. You guys can season it wherever you guys can shove on. You know, but we're just gonna put it on because we don't care.
We can put a bit of salt.
That's all.
Teeny pinch.
Yeah, we're not gonna show you that now. You guys might not be able to see it, but I can see it because I have eyes.
A bit of these chili flakes.
So you know what show which one? This one?
Yeah.
They're called chili flakes, guys. By yeah.
A bit of these methi leaves.
Bit of these leaves.
It's empty, but you're showing.
What are they called in English? She didn't shimmer on anything, right? I'm not lying.
Okay, you can do that one now.
Okay, my turn. You can hold the camera. Yeah. So I'm the professional, guys. I'm gonna like pour it. Okay. So I'm gonna leave in the middle.
क्या पिछली बार के जेल हो जाती है?
No.
तो ये क्या हो रहा है?
I mean, I am new.
Forever.
I am new, guys. So you can't like judge me. Actually, you can't. No, no one's actually yours.
That
No,
really looks
no
baked.
one genuinely said no. It doesn't.
They do. जब डाल रही हूँ अपने लिए डाल रही हूँ.
I know. What is it? Too much or something? Should I just drop in the fridge?
Put it everywhere. There. Stop now.
Okay.
Stop now.
There. Guys, so we're gonna put a lot of cheese, just because I like cheese.
Spread it out. It's gonna melt as well. Remember, obviously,
Fine.
and then it's gonna go
There
everywhere.
you go. Is that fine, innit? You know it's actually gonna go everywhere. So where's onions? Okay, let's.
Oh, not that much.
Well, look how much is left. Well, right left. Guys, if you want a fighting video of me and Larab, I can show upload that.
तो पता मैं
Well, I like onions.
really मैंने मेरे last time you told me not to put me नहीं.
When?
मैंने मेरे last
I'm
time.
pretty sure that was some, what else now?
चलो.
No, I don't put this.
You would put नमक का little bit at least.
Just some. There.
There.
Guys, what did you say?
There.
Okay. Now?
Finger.
So you just...
There.
What if I want to put more stuff?
Put all this in as well.
Okay, what?
Why would you put mirchi? You want to put a bit of mirchi. You can put the green
Sound for one
things.
seed.
Oh, that really makes a difference. Okay, stop now. Do.
I'm pretty sure we use this on our souffle omelette, guys. Do you guys remember that? Anyway, now this.
There, done.
Okay, now we're gonna put in. I'm gonna close it. And how long are we gonna wait for?
Like 2 minutes.
Okay, so they're finally done. Woo, this is mine. God knows that is a bit burnt there.
Take 2 minutes. It took like 20 seconds.
It took like 20 seconds. And if yours is a little burnt, it's fine. That just gets like the crispiness and stuff. But yeah, that just got burnt.
Or you can just scrape it off.
I can just.
There's a flake.
But it's burnt. We're gonna leave in. Or you guys can, if it's burnt, you can just scrape it off, you know, if it's on the bread or something. But ours, you know, obviously it didn't burn because why would it burn? Anyway, yeah. Shall I end it now?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was the end. Hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe down below. Give your big thumbs up and comment down below the videos you want me to do. I'll use this sabotages my camera. Anyway, stay safe, stay home. Bye.